Welcome to WorkCover Western Australia. This short video will help explain your workers' compensation insurance obligations as an employer, including why you need workers' compensation insurance, when you need to obtain a policy, and who you need to cover. Workers' compensation insurance reduces the impact a work-related injury or illness has on your business. This includes the costs of a claim and managing an injured worker's rehabilitation. Compensation may include income compensation to cover loss of earnings, lump sum payments if a worker is permanently impaired or incapacitated, payment for medical and health expenses, and workplace rehabilitation to assist their return to work. You're required to take out a workers' compensation policy when you employ workers. This may be when you start a new business, buy an established business, or expand your business. Your insurer will provide you with confirmation of the insurance, called a certificate of currency. You need a workers' compensation insurance policy to cover full-time workers on a wage or salary, part-time, casual and seasonal workers, workers on commission, piece workers, family members, and certain contractors and subcontractors. Information about contractors and subcontractors can be found on our website, including workers' compensation insurance for contractors and subcontractors, a video for employers. Working directors may also be covered if they are declared on the policy. This needs to be discussed with your insurer or your broker. WorkCover WA's investigators regularly visit workplaces across Western Australia to check they have a current workers' compensation policy. If you don't have a current policy, you could incur penalties, including a fine of up to $10,000 per worker and avoided insurance premiums going back 5 years. If a worker is injured, you may have to pay significant costs, possibly in excess of hundreds of thousands of dollars, to cover the cost of the claim, along with legal costs and a penalty for not having insurance. In Western Australia, you can take out a policy via an insurance broker or directly with an approved insurer. For more information about which insurers can issue a workers' compensation policy, go to the WorkCover WA website. An insurer will calculate your insurance premium based on the rate recommended by WorkCover WA for your industry. You'll need to provide your insurer with information on the remuneration your business pays. They may also look at your workplace safety systems and previous claims history to determine your workers' compensation premium. As an employer, you are also obligated to lodge a claim form and a first certificate of capacity with your insurer within 7 days of receiving them from an injured worker. Make payments to the injured worker when directed by the insurer, and implement an injury management system and return to work program when required. Further information and help are available. You may like to watch our online educational videos for more information. You can also speak with one of our advisory officers by calling 1300 794 744. We also have a range of publications and resources to help you available on our website.